This, ladies and gentlemen, is a new AI coding agent that runs in your terminal that just dropped recently. It is by GitHub, so it is called GitHub Copilot CLI. It is very powerful. It is meant to bring the power of coding and writing and doing all sorts of different things right into your terminal. So there are two types of developers right now. There are those of us who are learning tools like this and are working 10 times faster. And also there are those who are still doing everything manually. You have to choose to be in the first group. Now I have been testing this, so I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, how to run it, how to use it to write code, and everything that is there to know about it. Is it good? Is it powerful? Everything you're going to learn about this. Now, just a quick note. I'm upgrading my recording setup so I can bring even more clearer and cleaner videos, tutorials about tools like this or softwares like this. If you want to support Creative Ink Academy, there is a link down in the description. Every bit you can is going to help me bring more sharper and cleaner videos to you. Okay, so here I'm going to open a new terminal here. Now to test how powerful the Copilot CLI is, we're just going to run it. I'll press enter to run the Copilot CLI. So to see how powerful this is, the first prompt, we're going to give it a prompt so it can build a simple Flappy Bird clone using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then I'll just press enter and wait for it to do the magic. Here it's saying, I'll help you create a simple Flappy Bird clone using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it's reading the files or the directories. And just like that, this is the HTML code for the Flappy Bird. So we'll just allow this and approve future code writing. Right, so we have the HTML code. Now it should proceed to write the CSS and the JavaScript. Alright, here is our game. And you can play this game. Just like that. We just need to be careful. I'm not really good at this game, but yeah, Copilot is able to build a game like this. So gentlemen, this is test number 1 and Copilot has managed to build this. Right now, test number 2, we're going to give it a prompt which is going to ask it to build a personal portfolio website with the neon glow design, switchable dark and light theme, and smooth animations. It should have a hero section, about me, skills, projects, and contact form. It should use only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, no other frameworks. So this is a simple prompt. We just press enter. Let's see how powerful this Copilot CLI AI coding agent is. And it's done. Right now, if I press on start, it should be able to open a web browser that is going to look something like this. You see, this is a portfolio website that it has built. Look at that. The mouse is also being followed. Look at this. Beautiful. Everything looks clean, professional, and on point. This is a beautiful portfolio website that Copilot CLI has just built. Look at this text. A full stack developer, and it look at that. UI UX design. Beautifully. This is really good. Beautifully done. The colors, the neon colors, they are there. The skills section, front end, back end, and the tools. You see all these beautifully done. These AIs are capable of building you a complete working website. All you have to do is just give it a prompt and tell it to do things for you, and it's going to do that. Now the good thing about this is it's free right now, which means you can use it, you can utilize it to build anything you want. Look at the menus above. Look at this contact form. You have all these things showing here nicely without a problem. All the sections, the highlighting. I love the fact that the mouse pointer is being followed like that. All you have to do here is just change a few things and it becomes fully working. You click on the about. The menu bar also here works without any problem. Everything works. This is pretty good. And so yes, this is how powerful the GitHub Copilot CLI is. If you want, you can go ahead and test it also on other projects to just see how powerful this is. It is really powerful, it is really good, and I love the fact that it is free right now, which means anyone can come here and test it and see how powerful it can handle their projects. It's really good when it comes to design, and it can do all these beautiful things without wasting time. It's also fast, which means you can accomplish so much work in a short period of time. So I want you to try this out, test it and see how powerful it is.